Welcome! The following video will show you how to swap out the cell radio inside a 2GIG GC2 security panel. Begin by disconnecting the AC power supply from its power source. Next, you're going to separate the control panel from its backplate. To do this, first remove the small screw located on top of the panel. Then pull the panel off the backplate. You can then use the third hand strap to hang the panel on the backplate. Note, be very careful to ensure the panel does not scratch or mark the paint on the wall while hanging on the third strap. Next, you'll need to unplug the control panel's backup battery. This will fully power down the panel. Locate the current cell radio. And then you're going to want to remove the antennas. Next, unscrew and remove the two cell radio screws. And then pull the old cell radio module out carefully without bending the pins. You can then plug the new cell radio module into the panel by carefully placing it onto the pins. Use the two included screws and lock washers to secure the new cell radio module to the panel. And then attach both of the new antennas to the connectors on top of the radio module. Connect one antenna to the main connector and route the antenna through the backplate opening. Then you'll want to connect the other antenna to the DIV connector and place it inside the case. Note, you'll want to make sure you route the antenna cables so they do not run across the top of the module. Also note, both antennas must be installed for proper performance. Next, you'll want to plug in the backup battery back into the receptacle. And then you can reattach the control panel to its backplate. Once the control panel and backplate are connected, reinsert and tighten the small screw located on top of the panel. Lastly, you'll need to plug the AC power supply back in.
Select Security, Menu, and then Toolbox. The panel will then ask you to enter your current master code. Once you are in the user toolbox, select Cell Phone Test. Enter the master code, and the cell phone test will automatically start. If any tests fail, note what messages were displayed and contact your alarm installer. Your installer will be able to diagnose any possible issues with your system.
Congratulations! You've now successfully added your new cell radio module to your 2GIG GC2 panel.